In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a low highlight text effect in Squarespace. This is a quick and easy method that can give your website a fresh and modern feel. Without further ado, let's dive into the steps. First, make sure you are logged into your Squarespace account and have access to make changes to your site. Once you're ready, navigate directly to the Pages section of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu of your main editing panel. This is where you control the structure of your website, and it's our starting point to access other essential tools. Click on Pages, and you'll see a list of all the existing pages on your website. Don't worry, we're not making changes to any specific page today, just setting up a global CSS tweak. Next, locate the Website Tools option within the same menu. Clicking on Website Tools will take you to another menu where you can manage advanced settings for your site. This area is full of functionalities that allow you to customize the look and behavior of your site, offering more control over how your content is displayed. After you're in the Website Tools section, look for Custom CSS and give it a click. This area is dedicated to all the custom styles you want to add to your site. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is the language used to style your website. It controls the layout, fonts, colors, and even the highlight effects of your text. In the Custom CSS panel, you'll be able to input custom code that will be applied across your entire site. Now it's time to paste your CSS code for the low highlight effect. If you have a specific code snippet ready, simply copy and paste it into the provided CSS box. Ensure that your CSS code is correct, as even a small typo can affect how your highlight displays or even impact other elements of your site. This code will automatically adjust your text to have that subtle highlight you're aiming for, providing an elegant touch without being overpowering. The final step is crucial. Remember to click on Save. This button is usually located at the top or bottom of your screen depending on your browser or device. Clicking Save will apply all the changes you've made, ensuring that your stylish new highlight effect is live and visible to all your site visitors. Be sure to check your website afterward to confirm that the effect appears exactly as you wanted. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a low highlight text effect to your Squarespace site. This subtle detail can make a world of difference in your website's design by drawing just the right amount of attention to important text areas. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.